How to use precision parts in Dark War Survival. Now, precision parts is actually very easy to access. The very main part of the game that you'll have to do for you to be able to use that feature is, of course, to upgrade your kitchen, your dorm 1 or dorm 2, depending on how many dorms that you build, your hunter's hut, lumber mill, scrapyard, and most importantly, your campfire. Now it will just be posted along the way while playing in the game, and it's the same time upgrading of all the parts that you have from your current camp so that you will have to, or it will automatically be unlocked once you've maximized, or not usually maximize all the camp, but at least to higher tiers. So that's it. That's the only way for you to be able to use precision parts in Dark War Survival.